States, this is usually called a thumb piano. In Africa, it's called imbira, karimba, kalimba, sanza. They have a lot of names for it. The actual instrument is just the block of wood with the pieces of metal, the metal keys attached. That's the instrument. Traditionally, they would put it inside a big gourd, kind of dried out pumpkin shell, to make it louder. But they break very easily, and not being in the tropics, we don't have these giant gourds. So people started making these kind of boxes. This is from Zimbabwe. Since the Zimbabweans got their independence from the minority white government, they have been resurrecting their traditional arts and teaching people in the schools in the traditional arts so they could go back and teach the children the traditions that have almost been lost. And so they